morning, everyone. Yesterday, I asked you to greet your person on the left. Today I'm not gonna ask you to greet the person on the right, but I hope that you have a wonderful morning. We're gonna talk about AI today. The sun is passing midday in the world of AI enthusiasm. We are entering a new era with slightly different expectations. The Magnificent Seven, with billions of dollars invested in AI and large language models, have definitely accelerated the AI adoption, which we are very grateful for. As you saw during Gustavo's presentation, there's still a concern. The enterprise leaders are still struggling with answering a simple yet fundamental question of what is the return on investment on AI? Before we talk about that, perhaps it would make sense to talk about the two different categories of AI that we have. One is consumer AI. This is backed by large language models designed for consumers for generic use with a generic user experience. Think about ChatGPT. The other type is enterprise AI. And one is more focused on the job to be done for a given business persona. That's where a company like ours comes into play. We help our clients to leverage AI capabilities to solve specific business problems. With that context, I think it's appropriate for us as leaders to pause and reflect on that very question. What is the return on AI, or ROAI? ROAI is the term that I'm borrowing from the chairman of OpenAI that he shared with Reid Hoffman, I think, in his recent interview. And at Stibo Systems, our journey as market leader has really helped us to work with wonderful customers, such as yourselves, to understand what's the hype around AI and what's the real business use case or journey that you want to explore with AI. In the process, we came across basically two transformative scenarios. One is AI powering MDM. Imagine that AI capabilities are embedded and applied within MDM so that when you purchase an MDM tool, already it has AI capabilities in it embedded. So this way you can have more return on investment on your MDM. The second scenario we've identified is MDM Enabling AI Success. What does that mean? This means MDM plays as a complementary tool to your enterprise ecosystem. Think about your AI initiatives that you may have. Maybe you're building a new recommendation engine or some kind of a data profiling or customer service chatbot or predictive analytics. The success of these projects really depends on one critical factor, right? The trustworthiness of the data. This is where we can absolutely add value. So in this new era, with these new transformative scenarios, we are not just talking about return on investment, we are talking about a return on enterprise AI. A new paradigm where every AI project is really built on a solid foundation of trusted data and delivering business results. Now, you may ask what is next, because this space is moving forward really fast. So, as I mentioned yesterday, we don't just predict the future, we want to build the future together with you. With that context, in the coming months, we are evaluating the potential of agentic workflows. Andrew Ng, the founder of Deep Learning and Coursera, explains agentic workflow as a system where AI agents can take actions and make decisions to complete a specific task with minimal human interventions. These systems will need to understand and interpret tasks or goals, plan a series of steps to achieve those goals, execute actions autonomously, and adapt to changing circumstances or unexpected outcome, and continue fine-tuning to learn from their experiences to have better performance. Now, I'll be the first one to admit this is an uncharted territory for MDM. But we want to take that on and we want to explore because this is an exciting era. And I hope that you're as excited as we are about the future of AI while taking advantage of what AI offers today.